So you've scheduled your free hearing evaluation and exam at your local Miracle Ear location. Now what? Well, the process is simple. Really, all you have to do is show up, and we'll handle the rest. But here's a few quick tips to make the experience even easier. For starters, we recommend bringing along a close friend or loved one, because it will be nice to have that familiar voice in the room and comfortable presence at your side as we begin solving some of your most crucial day-to-day hearing issues. We'll discuss any changes you've noticed in your hearing or any concerns you may have. After all, we know you came in for a reason. From there, we'll look inside your ear canal. This is called an otoscopic exam. We'll check for common problems such as excessive wax buildup, damage to the eardrum, or other conditions which may make it difficult to hear clearly. Next, we'll conduct the hearing evaluation. This entails a stress-free, highly sophisticated evaluation of your hearing abilities so that we can really zero in on your specific needs. Then, we'll review the results so you understand exactly what it all means. If the results indicate that you could be helped by a Miracle Ear hearing aid, we'll program some demos to fit your unique needs so you'll be able to hear the difference a hearing aid could make for you right then and there. We'll carefully explain and show you the specific models of Miracle Ear hearing aids that are most appropriate for your daily routine. Whether you like to play tennis, go to the theater, or watch TV with loved ones, we've got you covered. And if you'd like to proceed, we'll begin the fitting process for your new Miracle Ear hearing aids so that you too can start hearing better days. Miracle Ear. Hear a better day.